Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next topic of this unit number 14, biomolecules. Okay, yesterday we take the how to write the IUPAC name of the any biomolecules or the what here monosaccharides. So some example we solve here. So how to write the IUPAC name of the following monosaccharides. So question is that start the question, how to write the IUPAC name of following monosaccharides. What here? Monosaccharide. You know what is monosaccharide? It is a simple sugar called as a monosaccharide. Glucose, fructose contain only 6 carbon. Clear? So some example we tell. First called as the what? The CHO single bond. This CHO single bond attached to the CHOH and attached to the second CH2OH. First molecule. Now second molecule here, CHO attached to the CHOH by 4 and then CH2OH. Number third, the CH2OH attached to the CO directly between the carbon, and this CO is attached to the what here? The second molecule of CHOH by 4. CHOH by 4 and here the CH2OH. Clear? Now these three compound, what is the IUPAC name of the following monosaccharides? So first of all, it is contain aldehyde. It also contain aldehyde, but here contain what is a ketone. So the if you write the IUPAC name of the any monosaccharide, so first we identify the function group. It is aldehyde. It is also aldehyde. It is what? Ketone. Now second, first we write the what? The word of the function group called as what here? ALD, called as ALD. And how many carbon? 1, 2, 3. 3 called as the tri, ALD tri. And last we use the suffix that is called as what? OSE. What here? OSE. So the name is called what? Aldotriose. What here? Aldotriose. First the suffix prefix of the function group aldehyde ALD, and how many carbon? 3 carbon called trio, and the OSE is the suffix of the writing the IUPAC name of the any monosaccharides. What here? Aldotriose. Or example of what here? It is a example of glyceraldehyde. What here? Glyceraldehyde. Second here, it is also contain the what here? Aldehyde group. What first we take the prefix ALD, that is called aldehyde. And how many carbon? 1 plus 4 5. Clear? 1 plus 4 5 here, plus 1. So here we take the 3. So 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 1 5. So 5 is what? PEN. ठीक है? What aldopent, and pent called is the 5 carbon, and last we use the what word? OSE. So the name is called what? Aldopentose. What here? Aldopentose. Clear? Next here, what next here? How many carbon? First of all, it contains a ketone. Keto is a what here? The prefix of the ketone. Now how many carbon? Contains 6 carbon. Keto, HEXO, हेक्सो. ठीक है? कीटो हेक्स. ठीक है? और लास्ट फिर what we use word? OSE, कीटो हेक्स ओज. So first we name the ketone keto. ठीक है? Then we take the hex means 6 carbon. OSE is a suffix. So keto hexose. What here? Keto hexose. So you write the name of the what? The given compound. Keto hexose. ठीक है? Depend upon the function group. So if you write the IUPAC name of the monosaccharide, first we name the what? The function group ALD, and how many carbon? Depend upon the carbon. 3 carbon trio, and last we suffix use OSE. Aldotriose, aldopentose and aldohexose. Clear? Now second question here, Now question is this, what is glucose? What is glucose and preparation of glucose? How to prepare a glucose? What is glucose? So you know glucose are present in the free state as well as combined state in nature. This glucose are present in the free state as well as combined. What is free state? Means it is a special alone called as the free state, and combined means attached to another atom. So the glucose are present in the free state as well as combined state in the nature. This glucose are will be formed, or glucose are prepared with the help of the what? The sucrose and starch. So glucose are prepared by sucrose and starch by acidic hydrolysis. What is by acidic hydrolysis? So first with the preparation of glucose, first preparation from sucrose. What is sucrose? The sucrose called what here? Especially sugar. Sucrose, or this sucrose is also called what here? Cane sugar. What here? The cane sugar is called as sucrose, which is the molecular formula C12H22O11. Whereas the molecular formula of glucose what here? C6H12O6. ठीक है बेटा? So from the sucrose is also called a second name cane sugar, or the molecular formula is C12H22O11 is the molecular formula of cane sugar or what? Sucrose. ठीक है? or table sugar. Now the chemical reactions. So when the sucrose formula C12H22O11 sucrose on hydrolysis, what here on hydrolysis, this also write in the form HOH in presence of H plus called as acidic hydrolysis, means the preparation of glucose from the sucrose or starch but take place by using especially the acid hydrolysis. By using what? Acid hydrolysis. H plus ion indicated by acid hydrolysis. So it is called as what? H plus ion called as acid hydrolysis. Clear? What do we get? So in this reaction, these two hydrogen are shifted to this hydrogen 22 plus 22 24. This one oxygen attached to what here? So this oxygen attached to this 11. So this, it means the when the sucrose on hydrolysis in presence of acid hydrolysis, it formed the two monosaccharide. One is called as C6H12O6 and second also what here? C6H12O6, but first called as the glucose and second called as the what here? Fructose. ठीक है बेटा, इसी मैंने आपको क्या बताया, इसका जो सेकंड एग्जांपल किसकी? ग्लिसरॉल एल्डिहाइड की है. अब एग्जांपल क्या की बेटा? 5 कार्बन का ये रेफेनोस की एग्जांपल है, ये भी याद रखो यहाँ पे, ये भूल गए थे हम. ठीक है, एग्जांपल ऑफ रेफेनोस. अब ये किसी एग्जांपल है, सो ये एग्जांपल है फ्रुक्टोज की. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्रुक्टोज इज दैट. फ्रुक्टोज एग्जांपल. It means the glyceride contain the 3 carbon, raffinose contain the 5 carbon, fructose contain of 6 carbon. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल कीटोसिस. ठीक है बेटा, तो यहाँ पे क्या देगा? फ्रुक्टोज. नाउ इफ यू राइट द एक्सप्लेनेशन, 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन आया तो क्या लिखेंगे आप? सो व्हेन द सुक्रोज ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस, फर्स्ट दिस आर फॉर्म द ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रुक्टोज, बट ग्लूकोज आर द व्हाट हियर? The impure. So when this glucose fructose mixture are added into the alcohol solution, so these glucose are insoluble in alcohol, but the fructose are soluble in alcohol. When we filter this mixture of the these two component and what here? The alcohol. So the first filter out the what here? The glucose and second what? Fructose. That's why. So first we take the glucose here. ठीक है, इस तरीके एक्सप्रेशन लिखना है बेटा आपको कि when the sucrose are react with the water molecule on acid hydrolysis take place, it form the glucose and fructose. So glucose fructose mixture are added into the solution of alcohol. So this glucose are insoluble in the alcohol, but fructose are soluble in alcohol. So this all mixture glucose, fructose and alcohol are filtered by using filter paper. So first the insoluble substance contain a glucose are filtered out and the remaining are portion are added into what here? The beaker. So it is called first here what? The preparation of glucose by using sucrose. Second example here, Number second preparation from starch. From starch. You know starch? Starch which is present in the animal as in the form of what here? The foods. Food grain also contains starch. Clear? So from the starch, so starch how the molecular formula is C12H10O5. C12H10O5 by N. First of all, the starch is the example of the polysaccharide. It contains more than what here? The more than 10 monomer of the any carbohydrates, called as a polysaccharide example here. Whereas the sucrose is the disaccharide. It contains when we hydrolyze it form the what here? 2 monomer called as what here? First glucose fructose called as disaccharide. This glucose fructose called monosaccharide. Where is the sucrose called what here? Disaccharides. So how to prepare? So when I start formula C12H10O5 by N on hydrolysis in presence of N molecule means number of water molecule. This also take place in presence of acidic hydrolysis. What's here? Acidic. It form the what? First same here. These two hydrogen are added to this hydrogen 10 plus 2 12 and one oxygen added to what here? The oxygen. So what we get? It form the glucose molecule here. What we get here? So it form the what? Glucose only molecule here. So what we get here? C12H12. Clear? The molecular form of starch what we take here? So the molecular form is not a 12. It contains C6H12O5. It's a molecular form of starch. So we added a formula C12C6H12O6 contain N here. This called as what here? The glucose. This N indicate what here? This N indicate the number of the monosaccharide unit are joined together. More than 10 monosaccharide called as the polysaccharide here. So more than 10 monosaccharide are joined together to form the polysaccharide called as what here? The starch. So similarly, when the breaking of this starch is also formed the thousands of or more than 10 monosaccharides called as the glucose. So N indicate what here? Polymers. जो मैंने आपको यूनिट पढ़ा polymers. This N indicate monomers. अगर N अगर बाद में लगता है तो क्या बोलते हैं? Polymer बोलते हैं. तो it is called as what here? Polymers of the monosaccharides. यहाँ पे glucose एक नहीं बनता है बेटा. यहाँ पे more than 10 because it is example of polysaccharides. So it also give the what? More number of the what? Monosaccharides. So glucose here. So in this way we did the preparation of the glucose by using the sucrose or cane sugar. Formula C12H12O11. This is what example? From the starch is present the grains of all foods. Clear? Formula C6H10O5 and this starch on react or hydrolysis in presence of acid hydrolysis. What we get here? It form the monomers of the glucose. So it is called as preparation of glucose. So first we take the question, how to name the monosaccharides? Example first, second, third. ठीक है? Now preparation of glucose by using the what? Sucrose and starch. ये important question है बेटा. It is a very important question exam point of view. ठीक है? Process लिखना है बेटा इसका. क्या process लिखना पड़ेगा? कि when the sucrose is react with the water molecule or hydrolysis the water molecule, it form the what? Glucose and fructose. This glucose fructose further added into the alcohol solution. This glucose are insoluble in the alcohol, but the fructose are soluble in the alcohol. When they filter this all solution, so first with the help of filter paper, so first filtered by the what? Glucose, and second filtered by the what? What here? The fructose. So that's why the preparation of glucose by using starch. So or first by using the sucrose and second by using the starch. Important question है. Okay. Thank you so much.